Hello everyone, welcome to my online physics classroom, Science Club by SJ Sir. I am your SJ Sir. Hope all of you are well now. Today I want to discuss shortly about de Broglie hypothesis. This is 12th physics. You know about primarily dual nature of light. Light sometimes act as a particle, sometimes act as a wave. Some phenomena, you know about this, some phenomena like interference, diffraction, these are explained by the wave nature of light. According to Huygens principle, you know about Huygens principle, it's explained the interference pattern, it's explained by the wave nature of light. And some phenomena like photoelectric effect, you learn in quantum mechanics, quantum theory, photoelectric effect. This effect explained by the particle nature of light. So light sometimes act as particle, sometimes act as wave. So this is the dual nature of light. You know about this. You know about this. You have a clear concept about this. Light sometimes act as a particle, sometimes act as a wave. This is the dual nature of light. Now that according to de Broglie, what de Broglie says? A moving particle sometimes act as wave and sometimes it act as a particle. A moving particle sometimes act as wave and sometimes act as a particle. A wave associated with moving particles which controls the particle. In every aspect. This wave is known as de Broglie wave or matter wave. Okay, de Broglie also tell about the relationship between wavelength and momentum. This is mostly important, very important. Okay, relationship very often come in exam. Now that I want to establish this relationship according to Einstein. According to Einstein, you know about Einstein says E equal to mc square. This is very popular equation, a very popular equation, and you learn it from 9th, 10th standard. And from quantum mechanics, you have a little concept about energy. Quantum mechanics, you learn about energy, that is according to Planck, this E equal to h nu. Now, Einstein says that every light particles, that is photon, and each photon carries energy h nu. H is the Planck's constant, nu is the frequency. This is the energy of a photon. Now that you also learn nu, this equal to c by lambda. Nu equal to c by lambda. C is the velocity of light in space or air, and lambda is the wavelength. From here we can we can also write this hc by lambda. Okay. Now that according to Einstein, E equal to this, according to Planck, E equal to this. I repeat again, de Broglie says a moving particle sometimes acts as a wave and sometimes as a particle. A wave associated with moving particle which controls the particle in every aspect. This is known as de Broglie wave. Before this, we tell about the dual nature of light. Now that these two concepts, if I comparing these two concepts, we can write mc square equal to hc by lambda. Yes, E equal to mc square equal to hc by lambda. We can write this. Now that if I cut this c and c square, we get c. So that is lambda equal to h by mc. Clear? C is the velocity. If I represent the velocity in the place of c by v, just write it. A velocity is represented by V, then lambda equal to H by mv. What is mv? What is mv? This is momentum. P equal to mv. P equal to mv. This is momentum. P means momentum. Okay. This is the de Broglie wavelength H by P. This lambda is called the de Broglie wavelength, and this is the proof of this. So from this equation we learn about de Broglie wavelength equal to Planck constant by momentum. This is the shortly discuss of de Broglie hypothesis.